Alright, so jumping straight into one of the first things that you need to know as a beginner when it comes to giving yourself the best chance of being able to make a passive source of income with a dropshipping business is that you need to sell a product that's highly searched for. Because if you're able to sell an item that you know customers are searching for every single day, every single month, every single year non-stop, then you're going to be able to give yourself the best chance of being able to generate sales every single day non-stop too. And when it comes to doing product research for you to find these type of items, there's so many different ways that you can do it. But one of the ways that I've been using recently is to find items that customers are searching for on Amazon, because of course Amazon is the #1 e-commerce website in the entire world. So if you're able to do the right product research and find a winning item that you know customers are buying every day and list that same product on your Shopify store and build your store on a foundation of these type of items, you're going to be able to increase your chances of success. And just to show you exactly what I've been doing recently to find these type of products, what I do is I start off on ChatGPT, which is an AI bot where you're going to be able to have a conversation with it and ask it any question, and 9 times out of 10 it's going to be able to give you a really good answer back. Right here I asked it, can you give me 10 product categories that are popular with online shopping? And straight away it came back with all of these different categories, things like sports and outdoor equipment, toys and games, etc, etc. But the one that I want to do more research into is electronics and gadgets. So I said, can you tell me 10 popular non-branded items within electronics and gadgets? And it was able to come back with these 10 specific items. For example, wireless charging pads, fitness trackers, noise cancelling headphones. But the one that's kind of caught my attention is number 7, which is dash cams. So what I'm going to do is just copy this just like that, head over to Amazon and just paste it in there and click on enter. Then what I'm going to do is use the Helium 10 Google Chrome extension tool by clicking on it just like this. And as you guys can see, it's now able to show me all of this useful information to let me know that people are actually searching for this item on the most popular e-commerce website in the entire world. And I can also see that over $2 million has been spent on this particular product in the last 30 days alone. And if I just go on to Google Trends, we can see that the information and the data matches, because more and more people have been going onto Google ever since 2012 to search for this particular item year after year. But just to bring it back to the main point that I'm trying to make, which is that whatever items that you're considering to sell, you just need to make sure that you do the right product research, because if you're able to find products that are highly searched for, it's going to increase your chances of you being able to make a passive source of income with your dropshipping business. And this now brings me on to the second thing that you need to be aware of, which is that you need to make sure that you understand what goes into automating fulfillment. Because if you're not aware, there's 2 different ways that you can fulfill your items when it comes to dropshipping them. You can either do things manually or you can do things in an automated way. Now, when it comes to the manual method, the way that this works is that every single time that you get an order, you're going to have to copy and paste your buyer's name and address, bring out your credit card or your debit card and buy the item from your supplier every single time that you get a sale. And of course, doing things this way isn't really going to help you when it comes to building a passive income business. And that's the reason why you might want to look into using a software similar to AutoDS, because it's going to be able to automatically fulfill all of your orders. Every single time an order comes in, they're going to be able to make sure that that order gets shipped out without you having to do anything. And for those of you that don't know exactly how AutoDS works, it's a very simple software. Once you've signed up for the 30-day trial link in my description down below, it's going to be a simple job of just adding your store by selecting whatever store that you have right here. So if you go on eBay store, Amazon store, Shopify store, etc, etc, you're going to be able to connect it to your AutoDS account. And once you've gone through that process, which takes maybe 30 seconds, you're then going to be able to simply add any product to your store that you want. So let's say, for example, if I did want to sell one of these different car dash cameras from AliExpress, all I simply need to do is click on this option over here, which is the AutoDS Google Chrome extension tool, and I'm going to be able to easily list items within a matter of minutes. But one of the best features that they have when it comes to helping you make a passive source of income with dropshipping is something called auto fulfillment, where whenever you get a new order, it's going to populate right here, and then from this point they're going to make sure that the order has been shipped out, because they obviously know the supplier that you use, they obviously know what product that you're selling, and they also have your buyer's information as well. So using AutoDS is definitely a great way to help you generate a passive source of income with a dropshipping business. And this now brings me on to the third thing that you guys need to be aware of from day one, which is that you also need to automate your customer service. And the reason why I believe this is because customer service is one of those things that takes up a lot of time when running a dropshipping business, because you're going to be getting so many messages every single day. Like for example, with my dropshipping stores right now, I'm getting over 30-40 different messages from customers every single day. And of course, this is not something that I want to sit sit there and do myself. So around 2 years ago, I had to figure out various different ways that I was going to be able to automate and systematize all of the different messages and emails that I was getting with my business. And there's so many different ways that you can do this, and I'm going to make a more detailed video coming real soon, so make sure that you subscribe down below. But one of the websites that I've been using and that I would recommend you use as a beginner is Upwork, because you're going to be able to come on here and find various different freelancers that are going to be able to take all of that workload off your hands. Like for example, I've got various different eBay businesses, Amazon businesses, and Shopify businesses, and with that means that I'm getting so many different messages from so many different places. So what I did is that I came on here and tried to find a customer service agent that specialized in the type of business that I was running. Like for example, I've just typed in Shopify customer service right there, and as you can see, there's so many different options for all of these different freelancers that are going to be able to help you and make your business a little bit more passive. But one of the things that I would recommend that you double check is their English. Make sure that they've got really good English. Make sure that you put them through a trial period before you 100% commit to them. And doing this has definitely allowed me to generate a passive source of income from my e-commerce business to the point where I'm able to sit by the poolside on holiday, still make money without me having to sit there with my phone in my hand responding to messages all day. Alright, so moving on to one of the final things that I'm going to discuss in today's video that you guys need to know when it comes to making passive income with a dropshipping business, which is that you need to make sure that you build a brand. Now, this is something that I've made sure to do with all of my e-commerce businesses, because if you're able to build a brand around the items that you're selling, you're going to be able to build customer trust, and you're going to be able to build your store on a solid foundation, which is going to ultimately help you make money from that particular business over the foreseeable future. Now, when I say that you need to brand your store, what this means is that whatever item that you're considering to sell, whatever item that you found when you did your product research, you need to make sure that your entire website is centered around that particular category. And just to give you an example of what I'm talking about, I'm going to jump back onto the laptop and show you two different websites, a website that's doing things not necessarily right and another one that is kind of doing things right. So if we start off with this website, as you can see, they're selling this particular car dash camera, and they're also selling items from all of these different categories. For example, mobile phone holders, screen magnifiers, wireless charging stands. Even though they've made sure to stay within the electronics category, they haven't really used a good logo, and they haven't structured their store in a way that customers will know what type of items they're focused on. However, if we take a look at this website over here, the name of this business is called the Dashcam Store, and I'm sure straight away you already know what items they're focused on. All of their categories are centered around this one particular item, which in my opinion is the best way to do it. This is one of the things that I've done with all of my different e-commerce stores anyway, and I believe it's one of the key contributing factors that's allowed me to still make money from my stores without me putting my full attention into them. But of course, there's still a lot more that goes into being able to make a passive income from a dropshipping business. I just wanted to give you guys the 4 key things that I wished I was aware of when I first started, because it would have got me onto the path of being able to make my first $100,000 in profit and still be able to generate a residual income from my businesses. But if you've enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down the top 10 winning items that I believe are going to perform well this year and most likely next year as well, then make sure you click the link right there. Check that out straight after this one, because it's already helped out so many people, and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.